Manufacturing and I think transfer of technology. There's still a lot of technology transfer that Kenya has a very big opportunity for. And the raw material is here with us. I believe we are a market that a lot of these manufacturers are coming in to try and get this raw material. But Kenya is now at the stage where we want to do our value addition here. And we can see the government has gone ahead to set up these special zones like the export promotion zone and the special economic zones purposefully for these investors to come in and do their manufacturing here within our economy and for us to be able to get that benefit within this sector and within this space. So I believe there is still opportunity within the manufacturing sector. And then again, it is one of the highest job creating sectors. So when we talk about job creation, and now I think we've moved out of just creating jobs, we're also looking at creating quality jobs. That the casual worker has also social protection, and we've seen what the government has done in terms of that. So it is a key sector still, and I think it having been anchored as one of the pillars in the beta transformation agenda was quite key for us as a country.